loves, I have a quick shopping haul for you guys today. We have Walmart and IKEA. First, what I got from Walmart is this cute diamond rod. I had purchased one from a woman whose business was going under, and it is huge crystal, like square shape, if you guys can see. That one I could not find anywhere, and I found it from her. I happened to stumble upon her place, and I actually had bought in her curtains. I bought everything pretty much there, even like these vanity, like tall, thin, like dress. I bought so much from her. Anyways, I can't find those again. That was years and years ago. So I found these though that are kind of similar, but they're diamond shaped, so it's kind of a different look. That one's more like square diamond. This is like diamond. So I just wanted something to go above my desk, and we already switched out these curtains and these curtains recently, and I was able to keep that pole by adding an extender that also I got from Walmart, and I like made an extender because it actually was a rod, and I just took it out and then I just put the rest in the garage and just not going to use it. But I saw this and I decided I want to try it out. And yeah, I did order white curtains that are this company, 2 of these. I did like this one, but I feel like this one is thicker, so I went with buying 2 of these instead of 2 of those. And yeah, we're going to put those with this. I did measure, it's the exact same. So it's the same curtains, this, and I should be able to use the other extender. If this doesn't work, I can use the second rod for the one I bought from Walmart and use that as a third. So I have 2 extenders, one there and one here, only for $9 at Walmart. So you just buy like another, like not an extender, but a rod that has like a thing and it matches the color. And then you just use the rods that are thinner. It's a cheap one. Because usually ones that are more expensive, they have thick rods. So just find one that's thinner and cheaper, and then put it in the middle. So then now it has like 3 rods, and you can actually extend it while still keeping that cute design that you want. Anyways, so that was from Walmart. In the next couple of days, I'll be coming in from Amazon, the curtains, and then we can try to put it up and test it above my new desk, my dream desk. Chloe! Did you guys hear her? She just sneezed. What's happening, Close? Are you okay? Her ear. I don't know what's happening. I think she was sniffling. She's so cute. Okay, so the last item we have today, this is a quick shopping one. This is IKEA. I ordered it online and I picked it up in store. And this is a lamp. I returned the other lamps. We got one from At Home, or 2 from At Home, then a set of 2 on Amazon, and another set of 2 at Walmart, and another set of 2 on Amazon. Actually, I think I went through 4 different pairs of lamps or lights for my new desk, my dream desk, office desk, work desk, whatever you want to call it. But I returned everything. And it wasn't satisfied fully. And I think I might have found something that is really cute and girly and homey feel. It has a warm tone, almost like it's a moon, but it's like the sunlight color. But it's like a moon shape, so it's a circle. And I feel like I did invest in another one of these. You see this like nightstand? It's really like an office thing. And I bought a second one, so that's gonna go on the right side of my desk. And then when I move out, I can have that one and the other one on both sides. But for now, I'm just keeping it here as a side table to your bed. But I'm thinking this lamp would go on top of that. So it wouldn't go on my desk per se, because I want it to be more minimalistic and have less things. But the lamp will go in the same vicinity on the desk, just in the middle, this cute little circle lamp that's just lights up, if it's actually cute. Online, it had tons of reviews. Apparently, this is one of IKEA's most sold lamps. Desk lamps, whatever you want to call it. I don't even feel like I should call it a lamp. It's literally a circle ball, but I think it's called a lamp maybe. But yeah, This is called the Fado, Fado, and that is the style that this is. We're gonna unbox it now. I've only seen it online, so I don't know what it actually looks like or feels like. But I'll tell you guys my first impressions, and then of course I'll update you guys if I keep it. If I like it, we'll put it all together on the desk, and then you guys will know. But we'll just look at the first impressions right now. Okay, so the box, easy to open. There's no tape. Comes with instructions, maybe of how to put it together, or just safety. Oh, so there is a lamp, like a light. You put the light in, screw it, and then you put it in the circle from there. Okay. It has this cardboard thing. Whoa. Wow. It is a straight bulb, guys. It is so cute. It is this glass, like big, huge circle ball bulb. Oh my god, I can't wait to see it glow up my desk area so cutely. It had so many reviews, like thousands, and on YouTube, like men and women buy this for their apartments apparently, and it's like just that like cozy room, cozy living room, cozy bedroom, cozy desk like vibe. Like there's also mushrooms. That's another one that men and women both use. I was looking on YouTube for people's like their tours around their like apartments and their rooms, and men would have all of these too, and women do too, like the mushroom. There's a mushroom one that's a mushroom and it has like a little like stick. It's cute too, but I was like, I don't know if it's too girly, it's too cutesy. I was like, I need something that's still modern, but like also has that like warm like cuteness. That's why I went with the ball. If it's too big and doesn't work out, then I can always go with the mushroom necks from IKEA. That one has tons of reviews as well for women and men. It's so amazing. But first impressions, 10 out of 10. It's actually bigger than I expected. I honestly did not know it was this big. I don't know how I'm supposed to take this off. I feel like I'm going to drop it right now. I really don't know, but I'm going to figure it out. But first impressions, 10 out of 10. I'm going to go on the bed now. Let's go on the bed. I don't want to disturb Chloe, but I feel like I'm going to accidentally drop this because I just don't want to risk it. It's a bulb, Claire's. It's a bulb. So I'm deciding to fold these back. Let's see if that works. Hey, lucky Chloe. Okay, I got it. So I just folded them up, which then allowed it to come out. Oh, I need to put a light in there. I could put the Philips hues. Ooh. That means I can not only just be warm tone, it could be any color I want it to be. Ooh. I think one more Philips hues. I gave 2 to my parents. I gave 2 to my parents. So there's 4 that come in the pack. So technically I have another one. It's in the box somewhere, wherever the box is. But I just took it out of there for now. Just so I can have it here. Should we just test it right now? Just like see what it looks like. Is it right here? I don't know. Maybe over here. I'm just plugging it in, Chloe. We want to test out the ball and see what it looks like. Ready, Chloe? 3, 2. Oh wait, let's turn the light off. 3, 2. Wow. Chloe. It's so sick, guys. It's so sick. I can't believe this is a lamp. This is the most modern, cutest, like futuristic, like moody, like a vibe of a lamp. Damn. People have vibe lamps like this. Like they're not just like modern like the one I have. Like people buy like shapes and stuff. Like, and we're gonna join the crowd of people. This is so cool, Close. It's a ball. It's a glass ball. Like a sun. I love it. It's so cute. 10 out of 10, I would recommend. Oh my god. Now I just need to see how it looks like. Like it looks by itself, it's just a 10 out of 10. But I kind of want to see what it looks like with my desk set up and stuff. So by itself, 100% I recommend it. It's so cute. I'm pretty sure I'm going to keep it, honestly, even if it's not for my desk. I can put it in my room in the corner and have it lit up in the corner because it's a vibe in here too, even if it doesn't look good with the computer. Ah, I love it, guys. 10 out of 10. So cute. And then if I do the Philip Hughes, I can use the app and make it any color I want. But this is the normal, like, warm tone color. Oh my god. I'm so grateful for IKEA for making such cute, modern, lovely, cozy, that's the word, that's the key word, cozy lamps. 10 out of 10 would recommend. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one.